Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to clean the Opolar fans, rechargeable fans. Alright, there's some little notches. If you can see, there is like a little lip there. And this top right here is what I'm going to be taking off of this base right here. And what you do is you grab the back of it firmly, and then you grab this little lip part right here and you twist counterclockwise to the left, and then it should pull off. Okay, I'm going to show you these little lips and where they go. They're really tiny. Okay, here's one. You can barely see it. I'm going to turn it to the side. It sticks out just a little. Like right here, you can feel them. See it? There it is. Okay, and on the fan part, it's open, and I would all do this when it's completely discharged. This one's got a bunch of pollen in it. I'm in Florida, and there's a lot of pollen and a lot of dust, so we have to clean them quite often because of camping and our SUV and van, whatever we were camping in. But anyways, back to the little, to cleaning it. Okay, you can see the little notch right here. That is where that little lip goes into. And there's 4 of them. Okay, so what you do to put it back on is you find your notches and you find the little hole there, and all you gotta do is line one of those up really good. There's one, and there's the notch, and make sure it goes down into that little hole. Then you just twist it to the right and it's back on. Okay, so I'm going to take this off and clean mine. Okay. And how I'm going to clean it is, I got some alcohol in this, just like 50%. And I got a rag here. And put some alcohol in the corner of this rag. Squirt quite a bit on there. And then going to just go along the fan, you know. Mostly I think it's just people getting it open without breaking it. Because you need the cover on it in case you have pets or kids, which I have a little cat. And it gets hot in Florida, but this really helps go around it. Just hold it kind of firmly, you know. I've already cleaned this one a few times, so it's not that bad. Yeah, just take it and do your alcohol. Yeah, a lot of pollen. Oh my gosh, we had a super high pollen level. And made a lot of people sick too. And you can kind of disinfect it because you got the 50% alcohol. But yeah, just get around the back of the fan too. Then, you know, just be careful. Since it's alcohol, it's going to dry very quickly. Just kind of go around and get the back where the battery is and the controls. Okay, that looks pretty good. Really good for now. Okay, that's disinfected really good. They get pretty dirty. Look at all that. So much pollen, oh my gosh. But yeah, the alcohol, 50%, really helps. And it helps to disinfect and kill any germs too that got in your fan. Take a little brush too if you want. And it really helps to get this out. But yeah, one time we were parked after a bad rain storm, and a lot of water went through, and we were down by the forest, and oh my gosh, so much like mold and pollen, and we think it even got in our fan and was making us sick. But yeah, it's all clean. I got the pollen out really quick, and let's put it back together. Okay, there's the little nuts right here, and usually the ones on the other side, you know, just like, you know, staggered. Okay, find that little one of the little lips. There's 4 of them. You see it, they're kind of small, so it's kind of hard to see. I'll see what I'm there. It is. Find that little lip and the little hole, and let's see. Just drop it down in that little slot. Once it goes on good, you'll know. Then, and to the right or clockwise. Alright, everybody. It's a good way to keep your little rechargeable fans clean. And just make sure it's all the way discharged before you clean it. Alright, everybody. Hope it helps.